Good morning, fellow traders. Marv Eisen here for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and we're going into the new week, and it really is a new week because we are rolling over the September contract to the December contract. What am I talking about? So right over here, we're trading the September contract. Actually, I'm trading the ES1. The ES1 is the continuous contract. It smoothly transitions from the September to the December contract, and then I'll use it again when December transitions to March, from U to Z to H, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I am trading the ES1, as I said, and as you'll note, the ES1, the price that the ES1 closed at on Friday is 65.88 and one tick, and it is exactly the same as the ESU contract, the September contract, at 65.88 and one tick. But now look at the new contract that we're going to be rolling into, the December contract, and I have it right down here, the ESZ. And note the price of the ESZ, 66.45, okay? Much different than the ESU and the ES1. The ES1 will transition to the same price as the ESZ over the course of the week, I'm then going to be starting to track the ESC. But right now, you see my chart, and it's the same chart as the ESU, but I'm tracking the ES1. Same price, same action. Now, going into the new week, we not only have the contract rollover from September to December, we also have a big news announcement on Wednesday, September 17th. And that's right over here, FOMC interest rate decision at 2 p.m. Now, according to the FedWatch tool, the current target of the Federal Reserve interest rates is 4.25 to 4.50, and there's a 94%, 93% chance that the Fed is going to lower rates from 400 to 425. If the Fed lowers interest rates, this is going to be a terrible thing for inflation, but at the same time, business has been falling off. And so in order to promote business activity, the Fed is likely to lower interest rates, but we are entering a period of stagflation, and I'm sure you know what that is. Maybe you feel it in your own personal finances, but nevertheless, it is what it is, and there's a 94% chance that the Fed is going to lower interest rates. And so on Wednesday, September 17th, be very cautious at the 2 p.m. hour. Certainly, I would be out of the market at 1:30 the latest, and just watch the action. And so we'll see what happens going forward. Remember to roll over your contract from the U to the Z. If you're trading ES1, as I've been for the last week, that's fine too. I'll be transitioning over to the ESZ starting after September 19th. At the inception of the Z contract, and the September contract, the U contract, expires. So that's my video for today, and it's Sunday. Today is Sunday, September 14th, and I'm wishing all my viewers a happy Sunday. Trade safely. Actually, you don't have to trade today at all, right? Just enjoy the weekend and be safe next week. Thanks so much for watching. Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and I'll see you in my next video.